how to make a delicious chocolate mousse in less than 2 minutes. First, you put 2 cups of heavy cream into the wonderful KitchenAid mixer. We'll bring that up, and then on high, we're going to beat this until it peaks. It's a little noisy, but it'll come out excellent. This is one of the best chocolate mousses I've ever had. And when you see the chocolate that we add to it, you also will think so. It's starting to come to a peak. Just a little more. There we go. Bring this down. Take this out. And then we're going to fold in the chocolate mousse by Wild Tree. Heavenly chocolate mousse package. And it's a delicious, delicious chocolate. So I'm just going to take that and just manually with a spoon stir it around. Now, this can be made in advance. So you can make it in the morning, serve it at night for dinner. Don't make it too far in advance. It's so quick and easy that you really don't need to. See how it's coming and it's blending right in. Go. Now we have it all mixed. This could be used as a filling too for chocolate cake. So don't just think mousse. However, I'm a mousse person. Now I've got a little ice cream scoop. And I'm just going to scoop these in to each one of these. Now this is my kind of dessert. I have some shaved chocolate, just a little, that we can sprinkle over. And voila, it's a mousse. Thank you. I think I will try some. Good.